So I just found a less than $50 standing desk, but it's actually not called a standing desk, it's called a bed table. What's up everybody, this is Scott. Welcome back to another video. Well, I have always been in the pursuit of wanting a standing desk, but as you can see from all of these things on the screen, a standing desk is not cheap. So with that being said, I've always been of the DIY variety to try to figure out how do I make a standing desk. And when I say DIY, I mean a cardboard box. But that's when Aukey came to me and said, hey, I have this thing I really want you to take a look at. So big thanks for Aukey for sending this over. And I think rather than it being the bed table that they have it labeled from a media perspective, it's actually my brand new standing desk. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you about the less than $50 standing desk that I absolutely love from Aukey. So this Aukey laptop bed table large size is a foldable portable laptop stand with aluminum legs, a nice book stand, and a drawer for reading, writing, and working. And it is the perfect height for me when it comes to the standing desk. As you can hear right here, I'm actually reading off of the script that's right in front of me to talk about this particular bit. So this is more than just a laptop table. It's actually one of those things that you can put in front of you or if you're on the couch or on the bed. But for me, I'm going to use it as a less than $50 standing desk. It has a very large surface area. It's 25.5 by 19.2. It has a space for a laptop of an up to 17-inch screen and a medium-sized mouse pad for those folks that still carry around a mouse pad. We still do that here? So if this was just less than $50 for the design that they have and you can see on screen right now, for the nice tabletop and the nice sturdy aluminum legs, that would be great. However, they've taken it up a notch. And in that notch, you can see on the table right now, you can put pencils and things like that. Or you can use this guy right here. So you can actually put this on the table, this thing right here, and set your laptop or your tablet out there, and you could stand or lay down on a couch or lay down on the bed, and you don't have to hold anything. It could be there nice and sturdy right there in front of you. It is a nice design which nicely folds up, and you can just snap it back into place right underneath of it if you needed to take it away from a portability perspective. It's a pretty ingenious design, quite honestly. I really like the way that this thing looks. So on the left side, they have this nice red rope that you can kind of tote it around and be portable. They also have this other hidden drawer where you can start to put utensils like pencils, pens, and things of that nature, as well as a nice cell phone holder. This whole little setup that I have right in front of me can hold my MacBook, my Apple mouse, a tablet, and my phone all in one centralized location while I'm standing. It is ingenious. It's incredibly sturdy as well. As you can hear, there's no movement, and I'm kind of giving it a good wobble from that perspective. It's nice and sturdy. There's no wobble to it, no nothing. Nice padded corners. This is just a really nice feeling standing desk. Again, not touted as a standing desk per se. It's touted as you can just kind of have a nice laptop table if you're sitting on the floor, sitting on the couch, or in your bed. But for me, I'm gonna say it, this is the best less than $50 standing desk out on the market that's not marketed as a standing desk. Right now on Amazon, you can go get this for $43.99. Absolutely no brainer. It's a good way for me to have a nice standing desk. My laptop is perfectly in front of me. I can take phone calls and anything like that. I absolutely love the way that this looks. So that's it. That's just a quick video on the Aukey laptop bed table, AKA the best standing desk that you can get for less than 50 bucks on Amazon right now. I will leave a link in the description below with affiliate links. Naturally, you know that affiliate links support the channel. We highly, highly love you guys when you do that. So thank you very much for clicking those affiliate links. And as always, like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will see you next time.